Redemptions. How to create redemptions? Click on new. Name of your reward, for example Diwali offer. Add any description if you want to add. You can put start date from here. For example, the offer start from 13 and ends at 30th. You can add start date from here, for example 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. You can add days from here. For particular days, if you want to add redemption, you can select a particular day. If you want to run it the whole week, you can select all. From here you can add categories. From here you can add particular item, for example aloo paratha. Now you can put value over here and mark this active to activate this redemption, and click on save, and the redemption plan is saved.